Hello and welcome everyone to a new case study regarding Google Ads disapprove for compromise site. But before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, SEO expert, and owner of a Google partner company. I have done so far various cases for compromised sites, a converting system, malicious software, unreliable claim, unwanted software. There have been so many issues for which me and my company have worked. We have also provide Google Ads management, audit, and optimization services. So, sorry, let's get started on a detailed case study on the Google Ads disapprove for compromise site. So, what happened exactly was this was an original error, which came to us by the client. Let me increase the font size so everyone can read it. So, it was this is the Google Customer ID. This is a website which targets the USA. Compromise site not eligible. Recent piece related to this site. Compromise site in progress. Appealed ads violates policy and can't run compromise site under appeal. Read the policy details. You only the complete was regarding the ads being disapproved, being labeled as compromise site. So if we go in the detail, and you can see this is was a compromise cider on the account. You can see there were display ads, they were running, and they have a compromise cider. Now at the start of the campaign it was only one ad, but eventually it started increase, and more and more ads started coming into this. And now, if because the domain was being labeled as compromise site, so we were not able to approve any ad, and eventually the search campaign also got into ads being disapproved. And with so many ads being disapproved, there is a high chance of your account being suspended. And God forbid, if your account gets suspended, now you're in trouble for two things: your ads being disapproved, your account is suspended. So it's a hassle. So, which is why we avoided that. We do not have to get our client account in suspended. So all the test work was done on our own account, so our client accounts remain safe. So now, first thing was, we looked around on everything, and we firstly figured out some issues on the website. So let me show you the website. Now again, it's a teamwork, so I like to appreciate my team as well, who constantly work with me along on this project as well. So now this was a domain, and we found some placeholders in the source code. Now people asking, placeholder could be a region. Yes, placeholders is actually one of the regions. Now we have a 170 plus step checklist which we have developed after resolving Google account suspensions, Google Ads disapprovals, Google Merchant Center suspensions on what can, or how their system works or what they trigger. So now placeholder was one such thing. You can see over here that this is was an error. This is an error on the then the source code. So this was a thing, which was one of the error. Now sometimes it's a theme error, sometimes it's a plugin in which there is a placeholder, or sometimes it's another reason through which you get a placeholder. Now placeholders sometimes it's a part to optimize the theme, but Google do not like it, and Google by principle is not accepting this. So we found this. We also find some dead links, broken links. We also looked around at the page speed, and we thought that the page speed could be improved. We'll affect over here, and because there was no AMP. Usually some sites have AMP, and with AMP we do not look around, because with AMP it's an accelerated mobile pages, and they do cover for the mobile speed, but that was not the case over here. And we also recommended subtom optimization techniques. We recommended some contact numbers. We also recommended social media pages. So this was the first audit. And now, because again, we have a team of staff who works along with me, so there was another audit done as well, and we figured out some bad links as well, which was still as a part of the indexation, but in relevancy they were not being able to find. And they were also lacking the 301 redirection, which is required, in case if you do not maintain those pages. So this was an ample list. We got them sorted as well. And now after this, we also look around on the search console issues, and let me show you as well. So it's not going to be readable like this. So you can see the 404 and some robots.txt file error as well. That was also the part of the suspension. I have shown you over these pictures, and also this is from the Google Search Console for the 404 pages, which we also did it as part of our job. So it's an SEO optimization as well. So you can see how frequently we were working. Our staff was on call, on the email, on chat, everyone, because we have dedicated manager. Even though, but we wanted a quick solution for our client, because we feel that every day is an important day for our client. But again, we all, this is, I'm showing you, like, this was kind of testing ads we were doing on our own account, so the client do not have to suffer for multiple disapprovals. And this is another as well. I'm showing you an email on how our staff is working and getting investigations being done. So now, if I move over here to our policy manager page, what I'm going to show you on the policy manager page is that these kind of issues, you can see over here that this is now approved, and this is approved as well, and this is their new error over here. And what I'm going to show you over here is that all of the appeals were being disapproved. You can see over here the compromise site, all campaigns, multiple appeals were all disapproved. So now you may be asking on why the compromise error is not over here, over here. So let me tell you what's the reason is. We got it manually restored through Google support, because we have again a dedicated manager, and I'm going to show you the final news as well. So this was a final news is that one of my staff reported that I got a call from Google that the account has no more violation, and a fresh scan has been done, and all the errors and issues has gone sorted. So this is another successful case study over here, so that the ads are being approved. There is no more suspension on the account. You can match with the website name. So you can see everything is running over here, approved. You can see no more disapprovals over here. Also, you can see that there were disapprovals on the appeal history, but now you can see that all the ads are being running. You can see over here. So this is another successful case study where I like to appreciate my team who works along with me to get the accounts restored. So in case if you have any troubles, issues regarding Google ads being disapproved for compromised site, malicious software, circumventing system, or any other unwanted software, or any other issues, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description. We also offer Google Ads management services. You can also hire for that as well through the link in the description. And so, in last, in case if you still have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write the comments of this video. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. So once again, thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video. So take care and bye bye.